I have to score Study Buddy, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10 for the experience. They are definitely trustworthy. You can rely on them to their fullest. Hi, my name is Devanshi and I've cleared my NPT in my first attempt. Okay, so I selected to study in the USA after completing my graduation in Mumbai. I graduated from MUHS, and after that, I took a year's break to decide which country I wanted to go to in order to pursue my master's. And I knew that I wanted to study further, and I was confused between UK and the US. But since I had a lot of family support backing me up in the US, I felt that that was the right place for me. Another thing which I felt was to clear the exam in order to practice in the United States, and that exam needed a lot of preparation. That's when I turned to one of my batchmates who guided me, introduced me to Study Buddy. Study Buddy was just one of the options available, but I definitely was inclined towards it from the start, from because of the way they have put themselves up at social media. So after knowing about the exam, I researched about it and I got to know that there's a lot of documentation and paperwork required for being eligible for the exam, but that was just one part of it. The main chunk was to prepare for the exam and appear for it. And I was really stressed looking at the length of the exam, which was for 5 hours. I've never been prepared or never appeared for that in my life. And that was something very different from what we were actually practicing in India, giving exams in India. That is when I turned to one of my friends, one of my batchmates, and she introduced me to Study Buddy. When I researched about Study Buddy, the most attractive thing which I found out about it is its live lectures and the app which they provide. Every day there is a question for the day and the topic for the day, which was very helpful till the end, like till the last day of the exam. And next step which I knew was getting enrolled with Study Buddy so that I can start with my lectures and live classes. And it was very easy. The process was so smooth that it did not give me any hassle while getting enrolled. Just going to the website, making a payment, and you're done. You're there in with them. The WhatsApp groups were very active, and Dr. Ankit and Dr. Purvi were on their tips to answer any question which we had always. The live lectures and the recorded lectures helped me a lot, especially when I was stuck with some topic. I could go back, rewind, and then I could go through it at different speeds so that, if I am not comfortable having it at the speed where sir is teaching, I could slow it down and I could rewatch it again to get my concepts clear. I was very weak at MSK, and I knew that that is something which carries the major chunk of the exam, of the scores for the exam, and I was very scared with it as well. I spoke with Dr. Ankit, and he guided me very thoroughly with how to go about with the topic. Since it's huge, how to break it up so that I don't have to go through it go through the entire thing together in one go, but I remember whatever I study. I knew that he always insisted on revising whatever he taught during the lecture, and I made it a point to go back, look at the notes since they were so concise and everything was in one place, which was the best thing about Study Buddy. I did not have to open any textbooks to find out where is what and everything. Just one go, just the Study Buddy notes, and that was the best part about it. One thing that I would like to say is to work on your endurance. Dr. Ankit always told us to work out and exercise regularly. I hated to exercise, but that period was something when I made it a point to religiously go and have a run or go to the gym and work out for at least 30 minutes. Another thing which I would say is that have your notes concised up. Study Buddy helps a lot in that, and I know that it's the to go place for sure. Um, One more thing which I would like to say is that time management. It's kind of difficult since I was preparing my exam and also doing my masters, but giving tests on as they're scheduled and watching, attending the strategy classes and everything is something that you will. That will help you out in the long run. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you all do well. I know that it's not easy, but I definitely know that Study Buddy makes it worth the process. All the best.